Sauce kani.
Nasa mong sauce.
Ano is that? What in the oil daw?
Huh?
No oil.
No.
No oil? Nakaitik. Potato croquette is only kano?
Huh?
That's potato only, no? No inside the panza. No bisig.
How onion?
Onion?
Try. If not it, I will. Later. I
Okay,
don't know.
okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Need net. Next time to.
Buy net? Buy net? Yeah, I miss the potato croquette. That you make in the house ba?
They make in house.
In the shop gani? Shop?
So.
Kami itong potato, smashed potato. Maybe this one same, no? Ano?
So always look at color.
Color.
Huh? Color is most important.
Most important. Brown. Deep brown, no?
Brown.
Deep brown.
Okay.
Very quick nila gito, no?
Okay. Very cheap now.
That one?
500. 200.
How many times per cow, no?
250.
Twice, no? Twice, no? Actually, many people like this one. Remember your potato croquette ba?
I don't know. Until we eat. Where is that?
Yes. Cooking papa today. My husband cook foods. Kalami. Hindi ko lang kustanawan kaya di man ko kamawa ng luto.
First,
Strong after. Gamay. Gamay.
Putting together.
The isda and the croquette? Okay.
So look at the color. Color is
Make it brown.
color is
Golden brown.
not brown. Make hot.
Make height.
It become very quickly.
Okay. Yan ako kumbana kay mapipag-abot sa trabaho. Ya, di man ko kaluto og apura. Kaya ko kumawan sa ako ni puli. So akong bana may magid nagsugod. Oh, very high tech. Very high tech. Potato croquette, smashed potato. Wow. Pink di ay Japanese din, no?
Sama na. Sopi.
Mami ah.
Isda kong ginawa. Yung kape.